Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Don't call me sir, you call me teacher now. Is that alright?
Yes, teacher. Nice.
Very good. So before we start our discussion this morning, I want you to please stand for our prayer. During the program, please lead the prayer.
Lord, as we go on with our class today, knowledge, guidance, Lord, that you please
Pariba na ta.
let us also demonstrate, Lord, that you will be able to
Pariban ko balik.
done this demonstration.
Okay, before taking seats, I want you to pick up pieces of paper under your chairs and please arrange the chair properly.
Cracker.
Alright, once again, good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Alright, so before we
Teacher,
proceed
ma'am.
to our discussion, let us first have our
Ma'am.
classroom agreement for learning.
Honey.
Agreement.
Honey.
So,
Ortega.
remember that
Teacher, ma'am.
the word
Teacher, nan.
nice.
Nan?
L stands for learn to follow instruction. Why is it important to follow instruction? Miss Jeremy. Why is it important to follow
Patay.
instruction?
You need to follow instruction in order for us to know our in order for
Okay, thank you. We have to follow instruction in order for us to have an harmonious discussion during the class. Next is letter I. I stands for improve your focus. Why is it important to improve your focus? Miss Shiny Joy. Very good. In order for us to understand the topic well. So that is why we have to improve our focus. We have to set our goals that we are here in class in order to learn. Means engage in every activities. Why is it important to engage in every activities during the class discussion? Miss Gimudo. Why is it important to engage in every activities?
So it is important to engage in every activities so that the students could gain confidence on how they will participate in the activities and can gain lessons also.
Very good. And now the last is socialize to anyone. So what is important? Miss Honey, Aki. Why is it important to socialize to anyone during the class discussion?
It is important to socialize with anyone during the discussion in order for you to gather some ideas from you.
Very good. Aside from that, in order for us to have friends, we're not just learning here in school, but we are also learning to communicate and to have friends inside the class. Is that already any additional for the classroom agreement?
None, sir.
Since none, then let's proceed. Now, we will be having an activity. So the activity is called What Am I? Please read the directions, everyone.
The group will be divided into 3 groups, and I will be giving flashcards to each group that contains words. All you have to do is to raise the correct card after I read the sentence.
Before I forgot, let us first check your attendance. Lately, I'll give you a name tag, and as I can see, there are name tags that left in me. So it means they are absent. So I hope that the next or the next class they will attend. Okay, since only you are here, then we cannot divide you into three groups because you are just few. Then let's divide the class into groups. Okay, so please count Miss Lucille Viga. One, two, only one. Okay, all group one sit here and all group two sit there. So what we are going to do now is I will be playing a video and you are going to listen and write on the paper the word that being manifested. Okay? Make sure the correct spelling and the word sequence. Yes. Got it?
Yes, teacher Nan.
Okay, then let's start.
I once spent 1 cent in a bottle of perfume until I got little of the scent. I once spent 1 cent in a bottle of perfume until I got little of the scent.
Okay? You only have 5 seconds to write the word. 5, 4. Okay. The correct word is scent as in sintimo and scent as in the smell of the perfume. Okay. Group 1 got the correct answer. Next question. Next word.
We are the correct. Just say, we are the correct.
Okay, you only have 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3. Okay. Please raise your card. Yes, everyone got the correct answer. Group 1 has 2 points and group 2 has 1 point. Next.
Flower shaped buildings and flowers. To make a flower shaped cake, build buildings and flowers.
Okay, 5, 4, 3. Okay. All groups got the correct answer. The first is the flower, as in like a rose flower, and the next word is the flour, means the ingredients to make a cake. Very good. Next, pay attention, please.
I purchased 4 new pairs of shoes for my congregations. I purchased 4 new pairs of shoes for my congregation.
Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Raise your flashcard. Yes. You got it right. The first word is 4, as in the number, and the next is 4, means the prefix. Okay. All the group got the correct answer. Now, from our activity, what do you think is our topic for today? Okay, with that, yes, Miss Gimudo.
I think teacher Nan, our topic for today is about homelessness.
Holiness, maybe. Yes, Veloces.
Well, the
Okay, our topic for today is not homophones. The topic for today is all about homophones.
Okay, our topic for today is all about homophones. But before we delve into the proper discussion, let us first step in learning objectives. Please read the learning objectives, everyone.
At the end of this lesson, the students will be able to define homophone in their words based on the words given, share their understanding about homophone by giving words example, construct a sentence with homophone words.
Okay, these learning objectives should we need to obtain during this discussion. So, with the activity that we have done, so what do you think is homophobe? Okay, with that, I will speak to you. Mr. Francisco is not around, so let us spin again to read. Mariko is not around. Okay. So what do you think is homophone based on our activity?
So, homophone, based on the activity we had earlier, homophone is about, it has the same sounds but different spelling and meaning.
Okay. To to make sure that your understanding is correct, then let's proceed to what is really a homophone. So please read everyone the definition of homophone.
Homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but has a different meaning, often spelled differently. One or two or more words pronounced alike but different in meaning or derivation or spelling, such as the words two, and two. The prefix homophone means the same. The root phone comes from the Greek word phonus, which means sound. Examples: bear versus bear, flower versus flower, Jew, do, Jew, here, here, ring, ring.
Okay, that is homophone. And homophone is a word that is pronounced the same as other words, but has a different meaning, often spelled differently. So what have you observed on our activity earlier? Miss Picontro.
Based on the figure that you have done earlier, I observed that the words that are being manifested as have the same pronunciation, maybe alike. They're alike, but they are different in spelling.
Yes,
They're different
definitely.
in, they have different meaning.
Yes, definitely. So that word is an example of homophone. Remember that a homophone, they are pronounced alike, but they function differently and spelled differently. So, is the topic easy or not?
Easy.
It is not difficult to comprehend. So, who can give me another example of homophone? Well, let's turn again to you. Miss Racho,
Ratchet is not around class.
since Racho is not around. Suwan,
One is around.
can you give me another example of homophone words?
Example of homophone words are eight and eight. Eight is a count, eight number.
Yes, very good. Eight, the number eight, and the past tense of the verb eat. The word eat. So, another, who can give me an example of a homophone words? Miss Racho again? Soria, Miss Soria, can you please give me another example of homophone
Another
words?
example of homophone words are sheep and sheep. Sheep or I'm not a sheep. Marco.
Very good. The ship as in SHEEP and ship as in the transportation. Uh, SHIP as in ship. Now, reminders. Homo means, always remember that homo means single or same, and phone means sound. So if we combine it together, we can come up to a word of homo means, oh yes, single sound or the same sound. With that, I think you already understood the topic. Then let us have another activity. Please read the directions.
Listen carefully to the short story and identify words that can be classified or belong to homophobe. Break sentence of words you found in the short story.
Okay, with the same group, after listening to the video, you are going to construct a sentence using the words that you can find in the video. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, me. Sir Fernand.
Teacher,
Nan.
Okay, pay attention, everyone. Please quiet so that you can clearly hear the words.
Go directly to left. Left. But I just wrote that the stroke always is the next to the step. That's it. And the new one is without the boots, I need to get two. And now use groups. These past two I have too many things to do, and this is the short period of finding.
Sir, can you read that?
Oh, sure, sure. Okay, let us read na lang because it's not that clear. Listen carefully. No tractors allowed. Monkey thought allowed. But I just rode down this road. How will I get these bananas home to make banana cream pie? Is that ant I hear? I'm so glad you're here. Will you help me move these bananas? Ant means an I, not I. I'm a new aunt, and it's after two. I have a new niece I need to do too. An aunt and leaves through the leaves. Monkey says, Bee, hi, be a friend and help me. These piles too high. Bee squints and I. Not I. I have too many things to do, and this week's shipment of honey is due. And the bee leaves through the leaves. Oh, bear, this is more than I can bear. Wait, will you help me through this week? Bear squints and I. Not I. See the fear? I got some all over my fear. Are you sure? Monkey says a days. If you don't help me this, will take me a days. Should I repeat it again?
Yes, Sir Fernand.
Okay. No tractors allowed. Monkey food allowed. But I just rode down this road. How will get this bananas home to make bananas cream pie? Is that ant I hear? I'm so glad you're here. Will you help me move these bananas? Ants, twins, and I. Not I. I'm a new aunt and it's after 2. I have a new niece I need to go to. An ant leaves through the leaves. Maggie says, hi, be a friend and help me. We files too high. These friends and I. Not I. I have too many things to do, and this week's shipment of honey is due. And the bee leaves through the leaves. Oh, bear, this is more than I can bear. Wait, will you help me pull this weight? Bears, twins, and I. Not I. See the fear? I just stopped all over my fur. Are you sure? Not to say a days. If you don't help me this, I'll take me a days. Okay. So there's a lot of homophone words inside the short story. All you have to do is to um, get those words and construct it in a sentence. After that, you will present it in front and read the sentence you constructed. Yes? After get all the homophone words in the story that I have read, you are going to construct a sentence, and after constructing the sentence, you are going to present here in front and read the sentence you are making or you made. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, you only have 2 minutes. I will give you 5 minutes to do the task. Okay, you only have 2 minutes.
Hello there. I wrote I wrote
Okay, 1 minute left.
I know, and
50 seconds. Remember our classroom attendance?
I leave house barefoot.
30 seconds. Okay, 20 seconds left.
Dear.
Okay, time is up.
Elementary.
Finished or unfinished, please stop writing. Group 2, please stop writing. Okay. Are you ready to present your work here in front?
Yes, teacher, now.
Okay,
Wow.
that's good. Okay, please, group 1, present your work here.
Good morning, everyone. So, the homophone words that we heard in the story are allowed and allowed, here and here, leaves and leaves, beer and bear, beer and bear, bear and bear, high and high, wait and wait, aunt and aunt. So the sentences are, you are not allowed to read aloud inside the library. I hear your voice from here. The caterpillar lives in the leaves. I cannot bear the bite of the bear. The bird chirped high in the sky high. I cannot wait to see you losing your weight. The ant bite my aunt. That's all
Thank you so
now.
much. Group 1, let's give a listeria clap for group 1. Do you know how to do listeria clap?
No, man.
Okay, the listeria clap goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, listeria. Okay,
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, boom, hysteria.
okay. Group 2, please present your work.
Alright, this is our work from the group 2, and I think we found so much words. So much words. We found 10 words
Wow, that's
based
amazing.
on the short story. We have here and here, number 1. 2, allowed and allowed. 3, bear and bear. Number 4, aunt and aunt. Number 5, wrote and wrote. Fair and fair. I and I. Leave and leave. High and high. Then the number 1 is I'm I'm happy to hear that you are here. You are not allowed to shout aloud. Number 3, I cannot bear the bite of the bear. Number 4, my aunt was beaten by an ant. I wrote the route for my destination. It's not fair not to try things because of fear. Fear. I have one eye. I and I. I live in a house surrounded by leaves. High, I went to the high hill. High heels. Wait, my weight is in position. Wait, my weight is increasing. What? Okay, thank you so much, group 2. Let's give group 2 environment clap. You really understand our topic today because you can construct sentence out of those homophones that you gathered while playing or while reading, listening to the story. So that's the spirit that you are really listening to my discussion. Now,
let's proceed to our next activity. Are you ready?
Yes, teacher Nan.
Okay, very good. So our next activity is provide meat. Can you please read the directions?
Each of the group will be doing their assigned task to which color they pick. You will be given 5 minutes to do the task and 2 minutes to present.
Okay, is that clear?
Yes, teacher Nan.
Please select any representative from your group and you have to pick the color from your two who will be your representative.
Color green.
Okay, the color green will be doing a slogan, and for the color green, we'll be doing a short dialogue. Okay, but there is a twist. So this will be the rubric for the slogan and the rubrics for the dialogue. So out of the words or any homophone words that you can write as in your slogan and any homophone words that you can use while doing a dialogue. So again, for doing your slogan, you are going to use any homophone words. And for the dialogue or short dialogue, you will also use any homophone words. So you will be given 5 minutes to do your task and 2 minutes to present your work. Okay, 3 minutes left.
Teka, dahil ngalan mo.
Okay, so we have 2 minutes left.
Tangan daw. Ibutangan mo gutol. Ibutangan to na sa niagi. Ambat. Overprinted na mo.
Okay, time's up. Are you done? Hey, Students, are you done?
Yes, teacher Nan.
Okay, since you're done, now let's present your work. Okay? The presenter will be coming first to group 2. Group 2, please present your slogan.
Since we're full of talent, so we need to
Ito na all.
again. The first one is if everything was just the same, then she shouldn't have walked with shame. Yes, Honey Jane? Are you a grammar expert? Based on this slogan, if everything was just the same, then she shouldn't have walked with shame. Again, if everything was just the same, then she shouldn't have walked with shame. You should be proud of yourself, even if your project, if even if your job is not still in the process or working on it because you want to achieve progress. You should not be fear. You should not be like afraid to show them that you are
Wala.
You should be proud of yourself, and you shouldn't walk out with shame. And shout to the world that you are the best. Okay, the second minute is change room. Sorry. Guys, you serious?
Shout out, guys.
Change route, not route. It means that you should not, even if you face failure in your life, you should not go back to yes, you should not be, you should not afraid to continue and not go back to your past because you are in the in the level, in the level of success. So come back to the classroom.
Okay, thank you so much, group 2. Let's give it a watermelon clap. Okay, now group 1, please present your short dialogue.
Ay, naku yun.
Lights, camera, action!
I felt dizzy because I almost died because I dyed my hair last night.
I think you should eat 8 apples for your hair to build.
That's all fair.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's give them a aling dulu siya clap. Okay, now let's proceed to the grading of your performance. Let us first give points to group 2 for their slogan. So for the craftsmanship, the slogan is attractive in terms of neatness, well constructed, and not messy. So we'll give 5 points. For the creativity, slogan is exceptionally creative. A lot of thought and effort was used to make the banner or to make the slogan. So I will give again 5 points. For the originality, exceptional use of new ideas and originality to create slogans. So I will also give 5 points. And for the grammar, there are no grammatical mistakes on the slogan. So I will give 5 points. In total of 20 points. So let's to the short dialogue. Your conversation focus mainly on from the did you watch without your data. So I will give only 2 points or um 4 points rather um for the content because it's not well delivered. The grammar, there are no errors in vocabulary usage. Grammar or sentence structure, the dialogue is well delivered and technical, so I will give 3 points. Pronunciation is clear and distinct all of the time and does not interfere with learning, so I will give 3 points. And for the clarity, pronunciation is for the fluency rather. The student always reads fluently with few hesitations, so I will give 3 points. And for the volume, the student usually speak loud enough to be heard, so I will give 2 points. And total of 13, so all in all, you got all the highest score. So let us give ourselves a round of applause. So it is a measurement that you are really paying attention and you really understand our topic today because you can now create your own scenario using the homophones. So before we will end this discussion, let us first have a Q&A question. So why is it important to study homophone? Miss Charity.
Kisa nga, kisa.
For us to study homophones in order for us to, for example, if we are talking with someone,
Katanan,
because
katanan.
if we are not,
What?
there are some people who are not, they cannot listen carefully, they cannot understand the listening, so they must, we should be acquainted with the knowing homophones so that we cannot be misunderstood with regards to
Teka.
what our companion is saying to us.
Okay, very good. So it is important to study homophones in order to create harmonious conversation because there are some people that cannot really comprehend if the words or the two words that being pronounced is the same. So by studying homophones, we can understand that these two words, or though they are the same in pronunciation, but in terms of the context, they are different. So that is why it is very important to know the homophone words. So for your evaluation, please get a 1 per sheet of paper because we will be having a short quiz for this time. So let's assume that the quiz is done. Please pass your paper in front. And for your assignment, please research in advance or study in advance about the homographs because next week we'll be tackling what is homographs. So that's it for today. Goodbye, class.